In this video, the pink woody that is like Raymond and his name is Colin, also known as me, is gonna expose a penguin that is like Mr. O'Hare and made almost everything belong to him, and his name is Tux, also known as the Penguin of Linux because of how evil his work is that began the Windows hate. If you like Linux, or if you're neutral to Linux, I have 3 instructions. Number 1, lose interest on Linux. Number 2, install viruses or online threats on a Linux computer if you have one. And number 3, if you hate Linux, sell your Linux computer and replace it with a Windows computer or laptop. This is definitely not opinion bashing, it's just an advice. Anyway, let's start the dark truth of the penguin from hell. I heard Linux, an operating system I was introduced to in the movie, Windows Vista Dies, when some realm of 2025. When I saw Gustavo's YouTube short of it compared to Windows, it was an opinion that I tolerated Gustavo's opinion, because he likes Linux and not Windows. Even though Linux is the most sinister, I recognize that I can get banned from my favorite games when I use the code thingy on Linux. For example of games, I mean Team Fortress 2, Rayman Legends, and Roblox. And yes, you can get banned on Linux, primarily in online gaming due to strict anti-cheat systems like Easy Anti-Cheat or Batly, detecting compatibility layers, Proton/Wine, as potential cheats, and I hate cheating, and that's why Linux users cheat on games. Then, Linux fans started to make fun of Windows fans. Here's the image, but apparently it'll be the most important and true thing. Like what the hell? Imagine if you Linux meatriders joined YouTube and did harassment and cyberbullying stuff to Windows enjoyers. Also, you are also breaking YouTube's terms of service. Also, Linux users began presenting trade-offs to ruin people's lives by using powerful, customizable, and secure hacks, but often has a steeper learning curve, less seamless hardware/software compatibility, especially for mainstream games/apps, compared to Windows/macOS. How hypocritical these Linux meatriders. That's right, but its open source nature and design principles make it more difficult for developers to implement the same deep level anti-cheat measures used on Windows, making it an attractive platform for cheat developers and malicious actors, and it has deep roots with tech enthusiasts due to its customizability and power. Modern user-friendly versions, distributions, make it accessible for average users who just want hacks, and macOS is 40 years old, which means macOS is an elder operating system, making it that Linux is hateful to the elderly operating system. macOS and the operating system I use, Windows, despite Linux ruins users' lives. Its community can exhibit tribalism, elitism, and harshness. And probably my classic clone, Classic Colin Hasbro, is a Linux meatrider, and he might bully me while I use Windows 11 and Ethan 0206. While Ethan uses macOS, and some Linux users fake quitting stuff like cheating because how terrible Tux the Penguin is because how rude his operating system is to Windows enjoyers. And for you SpongeBob fan plays, Mr. Krabs Gang and Maximum Leeways, if you see this video, I want you mates to make exposure videos out of Linux. Anyways, thank you all for your watching. See you guys in the next exposure video, and like and subscribe. I'm so desperate, and also, so long partners.